You want to help me plant some basil?
Yeah, I need to use the Thank you. I try to get some dirt. I did a lot of digging.
You did a lot of digging? Welcome back, y'all. It is Friday evening. I've got some beans going in the Instant Pot, cornbread in the oven. We got the eggs this morning, but do we see a turkey egg? No egg from Miss Turkey today. We planted our basil, first plant of the season. You smell something? I smell something. It smells like somebody might be grilling something. You smell it?
Yeah, and I still got this root. It's
On a stump. It's a tree stump.
Yeah, somebody must have cut a tree.
Yep, somebody cut a tree down, huh?
It's somebody.
Or either it fell down. I wish we were grilling out, but Titus is having to work late this evening, so.
Horse has got he's got quite a few situations going on. I feel like he's going to benefit from these type shoes. It's just a really nice shoe. I do these quite a bit with horses that have different problems, and we always see positive results. So the way I like to do it is I use a little cup here just to get my glue mixed, and then I'll just come around the inside. I know it's probably hard for you to see this, but it's kind of warm today too, and I'm not able to really take a lot of time here, so I got to go. This glue will set up on me, but I just kind of go around the inside of the shoe, as you can see. Put the glue on, and then I just come in here and work it just like this. Thin it out a little bit, just like that. Make sure it's coated real well. Some people ask about how long these shoes stay on. They will not come off. I mean, they'll stay on as long as a shoe that we nail on, if not longer. Very strong. So now I'll just take my glove off and get my wrap, and we'll glue it on him. You can see he's a lot more comfortable now.
All right, y'all, it's a little while later. We're finishing up supper real quick. The kids wanted some boxed macaroni and cheese to go with the beans and cornbread. Tonight for movie night, we're gonna make something fun with all of this.
I love movie night.
Yeah, and this Dolly's Fabulously Fudgy brownies. We're gonna make brownie cups. Kind of like dirt cups, but they're gonna be brownie, let's call them brownie mud cups. That sounds fun.
Mama, can I have that one?
You wanna try that one? You want that one on your mud cup? They're gonna be fun and peepy and springy. And we have popcorn. Jonah and Cece requested some more of this nacho cheddar stuff to put on popcorn, and they wanna try this spicy one. We're gonna go ahead and make the brownies so they can be cooking while we're eating and then cooling down while we're cleaning up and all that. We'll go ahead and make the pudding mixture too. Ooh, it comes with a little fudge packet, Dolly, you know. We need 1 egg, half a cup of melted butter, and 3 tablespoons of milk. We're making like a chocolate mousse. Kind of like we do for that really easy chocolate pie that we make.
Hey, Mama.
That's gonna be the mud. Huh?
Look at him.
Oh, chocolate mousse, yeah.
Chocolate mousse cup.
You came over here because you want to put the egg in?
Yeah. A great value.
Yeah, we went with twist and shout because
Twist and shout. Let's see if they'll make you twist and shout. I'll take a bite of them.
They were half the price of the name brand Oreo, so.
I'll take a bite and see if I twist and shout.
If you had your eye, oh, you got them closed. Would you think it was an Oreo? Pretend like you don't know it's a twist and shout.
Bite it again.
He's closing his eyes too, Daddy. Is it an Oreo?
Uh-huh.
Okay, close.
It's really close. Here's the deal with me. I like the thin ones.
That half price will make it, yeah, he likes the Oreo thins.
I like the Oreo thin. But them right there's good.
Just take the one side off of that and make it thin. All right, we've got the egg, melted butter, milk, and the brownie mix. We gotta add in our fudge packet, and we'll get these in the oven. Daddy, I probably put it in the sink when I came in. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Busy.
When I see dishes laying around, I start collecting. If somebody's body is not attached to it, I start collecting them up and taking them to the sink.
And you got dirty clothes on, she'll go put you in the dirty clothes.
Okay, Cece, for the pudding, we only want to use half of the milk that it calls for. So just do half the milk, and then we're going to add in this whipped topping. I think they went outside. Where are they? All right, once you get the milk all mixed in, then you're going to fold in the Cool Whip. And this is just a really simple, easy chocolate mousse, y'all. It's like a fake chocolate mousse, kind of. Titus found a recipe for one that's, you know, very detailed, but we haven't made it yet. Can you put all the little eggs inside there?
Yeah.
Cece, in yours, you put the grass, okay? Probably need a few more. Here's some more. Do they all fit?
So, where's the button? Something's missing. No, where's the button?
Oh, now press it. Woo! All right, Cece wants to press in a minute. Yeah, this is the dirt. So we're gonna get a spoon.
We made dirt!
We've got blue Peeps, yellow Peeps, the dirt, crushed up twist and shout.
And grass.
It's bubblegum grass.
Yeah.
And the eggs. Now, what are we missing?
And the Peeps.
We gotta get the brownies. First of all, let's taste of Dolly's brownie and see how it is. Pretty good. There's the brownie. Now we get our chocolate mousse. Drop in the chocolate mousse just like this. You put the twist and shout dirt. And then you can put whatever you want to put on top. We can put a little grass, put a yellow peep, and I'm gonna put a little pink egg beside it. There we go.